Ready to take your hydration game to the next level? Let's dive into the world of detox water. Detox water is simply water infused with fresh fruits, veggies and herbs. It's tasty, refreshing and packed with potential health perks. First off, it makes drinking water more fun, boosting your hydration game. Plus, it can help shed those extra pounds by revving up your metabolism and curbing your appetite. Feeling run down? Ingredients like lemon and ginger
GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting. Go and check link in the description.
are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants to keep your immune system strong. And your skin? Glowing thanks to those hydrating and vitamin-packed ingredients. But that's not all. Detox water supports digestion, reduces inflammation, and even boosts your energy levels. From balancing pH levels to enhancing brain function and heart health, this magical mix does it all. Remember, while detox water is a great addition to your routine, it's not a miracle cure. Think of it as a tasty way to stay hydrated and healthy. So grab a glass, get creative with your ingredients, and cheers to better health.